Joanna, I know you don't want to hear this in your capacity as a defense lawyer, but somebody was moving that car from place to place, which goes to intent, right? If there's a car, a beat up car sitting right in front of somebody's house and it sits there for 2 weeks, they're going to call about it. But if it moves around, it's less likely to get called in. I'm talking about intent to hide the little girl's dead body, Joanna.
Yeah, Nancy, I don't disagree with you from the perspective of whoever was driving that vehicle and moving it around may have had an intent, but was my client the person that was moving it around, or does my client have an alibi for where they may have been each time that that car was moving with that foul-smelling body in it? So just because it was moving does not put it with the person that I may be defending at the time.
Okay, that's a good point. I'm glad you told me that. Now I'm going to try to find a way to shoot down that theory. Did you play dodgeball in college, Joanna? Because you're really adroit at this. You dodged my first one, my first torpedo to the defense here. It was a pretty good dodge, too. But could you tell me any reason, Joanna Nieves, that an adult would have a child, whatever reason, what he wanted to foster her? He wanted to expand her horizons, help her get her grad degree, give her piano lessons. What? Help me out here. Why else, if it wasn't for sex, would you keep a 13-year-old girl?
Yeah, Nancy, I think that we're talking about two different situations, right? Do we have the same person with the same set of circumstances? Are we talking about an inappropriate relationship with a child, or are we talking about dismemberment and murder? If somebody is culpable for one thing, it does not necessarily mean that there is direct evidence and proof that they are culpable for the next. And so I think we can't conflate those issues without more. And definitely the prosecution and law enforcement, as they're investigating it, are going to have to take the time to explore all of the facts and supporting evidence to tie an inappropriate relationship with an actual homicide.
Joanna Nieves, it's amazing. Okay, forget the dodgeball question. You know, the snake charmer, as the cobra goes back and forth, you start going back and forth, and suddenly you're in sync with the snake. Yeah, I'm not in sync with you because it's very hard for me to parse. Gee, did the kill her, or did the use her sexually? And then somebody else snuck in the night and murdered her. Okay, that's a fun thing for Joanna Nieves and I to discuss, but